in front of anyone, it's okay, but I can guess. But because you are here means definitely I'm talking with you, then I evaluate little bit. Yeah. Then apart from this platform, do you talk with anyone in English?
No.
Okay. Then are you born and raised in Tamil Nadu?
Yeah.
Okay. Then are you studying in your state or are you studying in different state within India?
No, 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 no. I'm born in, brought up, and completed schooling and engineering, everything in Tamil Nadu in Tamil medium. Engineering only. I learned in English medium, but the teachers and lecturer, professor, everyone took in Tamil.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. They spoke with you all student in Tamil language, right? They never ever
Yes, exactly.
spoke with you people in English, right?
Correct, correct,
But
correct.
yeah, because language doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score, any medium. It is a learnable skill. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak, right? But it depends upon person to person. If you want to enhance any language, then it require also determination, devotion, dedication, consistency, self motivation, habit. Those kind of ingredient required to enhance any language, right? Because
Correct.
you are good speaker, then you can evaluate how much hard work required to enhance any language, right? No one can get overnight, right? It will take time, but self motivation required, because you know your mission vision, then definitely consistency develop your self motivation, right? Because you
But
want.
I'm not able to maintain the consistency. I'm very occasional user here.
Yeah, okay, because no need to maintain the consistency through platform, right? Because if you get a chance to interact with anyone in physical people, your friend and any professional people, then you can interact with them because you have a trained mind how to interact with people. Right now we are talking each other, then you can interact with me in English. If anyone talk with you in your mother tongue Tamil, immediately you transfer your speaking in your mother tongue, right? Because you have a trained mind. No need to think. You think and you speak. Any language they can talk with you. Trained mind is a that kind of, right? Because untrained mind is a different. They will take time to think and speak. And then you tell me, did you finish your lunch?
Yeah, I have had
Mm-hmm.
vegetable biryani.
Okay. Then South part biryani je famous. Hyderabad biryani je famous. Maximum people they have biryani, right?
No, no, I said vegetable biryani. I'm a vegetarian.
Okay. Okay, that food also good. I'm not telling this kind of, but do you take daily that vegetable biryani or do you take in different food? What
No,
food?
no, no, no. Different, different. Idli, morning idli, pongal, puri, like that.
Mhm.
Lunch, rice, sambar, patakulambu, more kulambu, karakulambu, more kulambu.
Mhm. Okay. Then do you take chapati?
In idli, pongal, puri.
Okay. Do you take chapati?
Chapati, yeah, chapati also we take, but monthly, once, monthly, twice.
Yeah, you people maximum you don't take chapati because chapati you if you go to restaurant and you take, or if any occasionally you people do it, make it, right?
Making chapati is too difficult. That's why the people are not ready to do that.
Right, right. You people breakfast is a idli, right?
Idli.
Idli. But we people breakfast we take chapati and paratha and with curry or any kind of fried curry we take with chapati or paratha. It is our breakfast. And daytime we take lunch in rice or something, curry, pulse or mixed vegetable, and leaf curry, and tomato chutney, and that kind of we people take. And dinner time also, some people they take chapati also, some people they take rice also, according to choice. But
But we are not going to take rice in night time.
you people take what do you take in rice night at night? What food do you take at night time?
Night time only we have light food like idli, dosa.
Okay, you people take idli and dosa, right? I am not.
Yeah, because night time we don't have any work. We are not going to do the hard work. Just we are eating then sleeping.
Right, right. I am not telling Odisha people. They all people they take rice. Some people they take rice, and some people they take
Yeah,
chapati.
here also the people are taking rice.
Mhm.
Who are taking the rice?
They are physical doing hard
Them.
work.
Yes, exactly. The people are doing hard work.
Right, right. Because they go outside like a worker, right? They always do
Yeah,
work a long time, 8 hours, 9 hours in the
yeah, hard work. Like hard work people are eating
rice.
meals in two times.
Right. Because that rice provides them energy, right? They get energy. Or if they take light food, they cannot work hard, right? At daytime. That's why they require means rice 2 days, 2 times in their according to their body because they are doing hard work in
Mm.
physical work. Yeah, that kind of
Mm.
which
The
which
time
mhm,
nowadays people are going to the trend.
right.
Only two times people are eating. One time skip the food.
Right, because of they are doing dieting and they are a they want to be a health conscious, right? Slim body. They want
Yeah,
to
exactly.
slim body.
Right.
Yeah, they don't.
They are eating not 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 eating that oil food and steam food. They are eating that only vegetables, fruits like that.
Right, because you know who always depend exercise, meditation. They are health conscious and they always miss evaluate food, which food good for their health, right? They don't take fast food,
Mm.
outside fast food and street food. They don't like. They always want to take green vegetable and green fruits, right?
Yeah, my father always shouting on me, go, why you are eating outside, why you are eating outside, why your age is just 23, but your weight is 95, it is too much, you should do the exercise, you should wake up early, you are not maintaining the weight age like a physical structure, it will affect in your future,
Hmm.
you should maintain the physical.
Okay, your weight is 95, then do you should not take in street food. That is a good for your health, right? I think
But I like Manipuri.
right, right. Because I think you are a foodie person. You like much food, right?
Yeah, right now also I'm eating.
Right, right. That's why because your weight is increased. Because you don't take, you never give rest for your stomach and mouth. You always take something,
Mm.
right?
Right now it's a competition, me and my mummy.
Okay, then you are doing that kind of competition, and who takes lots of food.
Wait, she is 105, I'm 95.
Okay, then I think your father is a slim. He
My
looks
father, 72.
Okay, that's why he advised you to lose your weight, right?